Let's go across and touch base with the management of NALCO. TK Chand, who's CMD of NALCO, joins us with the news at hand. Mr. Chand, it's great to have you on the show. Thanks very much for taking out the time. My first question to you is really about the big price correction that we've seen in aluminium. Has it only been because of the lifting of sanctions in the US?
Aluminium prices have recent 2 to 3 days. It has started getting corrected in a downward way, and the current level of aluminium prices is probably the lowest in the last 16 months. And this correction which is taking place, it has many factors, though one of the factors is also this lifting of the sanction by America against Rusal. But other factors also play as well, because earlier the prices were driven by Aluminium incident of its closing down, and then trade war of US and China and other factors. But now the price level that aluminium has reached, it is a critical cost support level. So below that, we don't expect the prices will move down. And we hope that in the coming days, prices may firm up because of demand and supply position. And earlier in 2018, this year, it has been a very highly volatile market of aluminium. Prices up and down were there. So we hope that in the coming days, prices will get stabilized.
Okay, how much impact will the lifting of the sanctions happen in terms of demand and supply?
If we see Rusal controls around 3% of the bauxite supply of the world, and around 6.3% of alumina of the world, and 5.8% of aluminium in the world. But this lifting of this sanction, prior to that, this news is already in the round, because after the USA has proposed for the sanction 3 to 4 times, they have also deferred the sanction. So by that time, the market has already adjusted. So therefore, as far as supply position is concerned, right now, whatever supply is going on, that will continue. And if the sanction would have come into force, then it would have brought a supply disruption, because a large chunk of the aluminium and alumina is in the hands of the Rusal. And that way, the impact has of this sanction lifting will have. But on price level, at the current position, impact will be very marginal, and that already market has reacted by correcting $20 to $30.
Okay. So, Mr. Chand, what was the last price of contract signed, and do you expect contract prices to actually come in lower hereof?
We do not expect that contract prices will be going down, because we have made a contract of $404 last tender price, and that is the level at which we hope that it will not go down, because in the coming days, alumina demand will pick up, because for the last couple of months, there has been very low buying in the alumina market, and definitely in the coming days, the buying spree will increase, more particularly after Chinese New Year, that is likely to pick up more, and cost factor is also there. So all these combined, alumina prices may get firmed up in the coming days.
Right. Mr. Chand, so what is the cost of production below which you will begin to make losses?
Look, right now the price at which aluminium is moving, 30% of the smelter, if this price continues, 30% of the smelters in the world will be incurring cash loss. So therefore, this level is not a sustainable level for the smelters. So definitely aluminium prices will increase, because if this level continues for some time, there will be closing down of some of the smelter capacity, and that will again bring shortage position, and again the price will move.
Overall, 2018 has been a good year, both for profits and volumes. Do you expect 2019 to be good as well?
Yeah, we expect so, because in 2019, our financial year will be ending in the March, and we hope that our position will be quite comfortable. And in addition to that, we have been making 100% capacity utilization, particularly in the mines and refinery. That will give a strong boost, and coal position is also easing out. That will also, and we are expecting that we will be opening the coal block, captive coal block for our company in third quarter of 2019. So that will give a very strong boost to the profitability position of the company. All this combined, we hope a shining new year of 2019 for the company.
Right. So can you talk about the demand from China that you're seeing, Mr. Chand? Because recent growth data is pointing towards a slowdown in growth in China.
Yeah, if you take the two segments, one is alumina and aluminium. In case of alumina, the prices have moderated in China because there the smelters take-offs were very less. And but as the report goes, there has been increasing short supply of bauxite in northern China, and that will have an impact on alumina prices. And we are expecting that after the Chinese New Year, alumina prices will pick up. And as regards the aluminium prices, once the alumina prices goes up, aluminium prices will also have a kick from the cost factor. In addition to that, other cost factors like city pitch and then petrocoke, etc. There also prices are quite firm. So all these things combined, we expect that in China, whatever moderation of prices have taken place in 2018 up to the December table, it will start picking up after February, after the New Year.
Thank you, Mr. Chand, for joining us, and wish you the very best for the future.